Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and it's time to hit those trails.
This is the Fox 36 Factory Grip 2 mountain bike fork for 29-inch wheel. This is an all-around great mountain bike fork and is a really nice way to upgrade the ride on your bike. First of all, it looks amazing, but it's definitely more than just a pretty fork. The Grip 2 damper allows you to adjust the compression and rebound for really precise control over your riding experience. The aluminum build offers strength while still being lightweight, and this fork has Kashima coated stanchions which maintain better lubrication and offer more durability and abrasion resistance than just a regular hard anodized aluminum. So that leads to an overall smoother ride when riding over rugged terrain. We have this here on a 29-inch wheel, and it offers 150 or 160 millimeters of travel and has overall just been an awesome addition to this mountain bike. So my husband has been so happy with this fork on his bike and has really loved the ride. So while we're just riding around in the backyard today over trails and rough terrain, it has really performed super well.
So we have been super impressed with the Fox Factory 36, and that's my point of view.